Welcome to the very new HONOR Magic4 Pro, and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So first, to do that, you should press the power key button on the right side of your phone for a few seconds. And now if you have the same situation like in my case, if you by press and hold the power key button, Google Assistant is activated. And if you want to use this button to turn on the power off menu, you should first launch the settings and then scroll to the accessibility features. Then click here to shortcuts and gestures and tap to Google Assistant. Now to turn off this feature, click only once on the switcher and by press for a few seconds the power key button, you can see that the power off menu is activated. So now we can restart the device, and to power it off, just touch twice on the power off icon, and that's it. So we can see that screen is dark, and this means that our device is turned off. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.